This, my friend, is a Lamborghini Huracan Evo. Tell me it is not one of the most epic cars in the history of epic cars. Also, guess what? My hair is messed up. That's why I have my hood on. I had a helmet on. But tell me that is not one of the most beautiful cars in the entire world. This is the best sounding Lambo. That's the best sounding Lambo. It's over there making the Porsche look all sexy. But their true sexy vehicle is the Lamborghini Huracan Evo. I don't know where I'm supposed to park, so I'm gonna park right by all the cool cars. Okay. What do you guys think? Lambo, Ferrari. Fuck yeah, dude.
Craigslist Lambo. David, fuck
which one?
Dunker.
Which Craigslist Lambo?
That yellow one, though. That one over there, bro. Look at that. They're all locked up.
Oh,
Is it on?
That's actually pretty sleek.
Alright, so this is from
Probably
Odelfi. Show the one I give you.
Oh, hang on.
Alright, so these are LED strip lights.
Pretty excited about these.
But show, rotate it. Yeah, rotate it. You guys remember Fred?
How you guys doing? We went down and picked up the FRS.
That's on. That's halfway on. That's the light.
Yeah.
And that's halfway light.
Like nerd out
That
about
is
So-
some nerdy shit. I like it.
What, the
Left-handed
lights?
stuff.
You like
I
it?
do. That's cool, man.
Or we can give him one too.
All right.
Odelfi, this is how we do this stuff. You have to
yeah.
like, subscribe, and
Already a good
comment.
Wednesday. Yes.
So
Click
two
that
of
like
them.
button.
Basically what these are for, I promise I am going to give it back to him. But what these are for is for working on your car. Obviously this is bright as bright. That's dim. And then this is the one where spots, like as you guys can see. It goes from super bright area, not so bright, but it's still bright area. And then this is like a dot. And then this is like a dot, but it's not super dotty. And we will give it back to the owner. GoPro's dead, so we're gonna be using the phone because apparently my GoPro sucks. I know, but it's just so unfortunate, you know? That's how my luck rolls. Oh, that Porsche sounds good. Alright, here we go. That's so insane, bro. Rev it, bro. Come on, the pops.
Windows up, please. Windows up, bro, Brian.
Could you imagine having a garage with that?
Windows up, please. Windows up.
Yellow Lambo.
Don't worry about it. We'll collect keys. Check that.
That Porsche's loud, dude. Could you imagine that? What would you pick? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch the tiger by the tail. I picked the Evo.